I pasted a product link, pressed one button, and got this back. 9 different video ads, no agency, no team, no editing. I didn't write a single word of copy. I didn't film a single second of footage. This would have cost me $30,000 at an agency. It took me one session. And I'm about to show you the entire thing live, start to finish, right now. Hello everyone, and you are at Aura Lab. Recently, Higgsfield just announced their marketing studio, in which you can create different ads, and it's powered by Seedance 2.0. Let's dive in. So first of all, you have to come to higgsfield.ai. On the front page, you can see Marketing Studio, and on the upper side also, you can see Marketing Studio, which is similar to Cinema Studio, but for marketing professionals. Cinema Studio is for cinematographers and creating films, and Marketing Studio is for marketing, meaning ads. So first of all, let's click here and understand the interface. On the left-hand side, you get all your controls, like New Project, URL to add, and your different previous project section, URL to add, we're going to see later in the video. On the main screen, you can upload different types of media and use image generation to create different avatars, then elements and previously used elements. Then you can create 9 different types of ad formats by clicking on this button, like UGC, tutorial, unboxing, hypermotion, TV spot, wildcard, UGC try-ons, and product review. So we're going to see all of them one by one. You can also select different types of resolutions, duration, and the quality of the ad. Then you can directly upload a product using the Create Manually button, and you can directly paste a link from Amazon or your website to create a product listing here. Then you can upload different avatars or select one from the preloaded options. For creating one, you can generate an avatar by prompting, or upload one from your device. You can also select male or female gender here. In the drop-down, you can see lots of videos generated by users, and you can simply tap on Recreate, and it will give you all the prompts that were used to generate that specific ad. So you can just upload your product and avatar, and recreate using the different formats given below. So let's start. First of all, we're going to go with UGC. So I'm going to select UGC here. Then you have to either upload your product. First of all, we're going to use Amazon. I will take a product and paste the link here. Later on, we're going to create manually. I'll show you how to do it. It will start creating a product here, and it automatically generates the product name, description, and so on. Now you have to select the avatar. So I'm just selecting the preloaded one, which is Sophia. If you want to prompt it, you can add a prompt and leave it. So Seedance will think by itself. And if you want to edit the product description or name, you can do it by simply going to the product edit button. Here you can edit the product name and product description to give Seedance 2.0, which is the background model, more context. Now you can select the aspect ratio, 9:16 or whichever you like. Then quality, then duration, which I'm selecting as 10 seconds for now. Now it will start generating, so be patient. It also opens up a lot of opportunities for you, like creating your own ad agency or content farming. So it has generated. Let's review it.
I'm obsessed with these wide toe knit Mary James. So comfy, breathable, and the strap actually stays put. Plus, they're washable.
It's goddamn perfect, guys. On the right hand side, you can also recreate it, publish it, edit it, or download it using these buttons. Now let's recreate it with a different model and make her speak a different dialogue. Make me an ad for these shoes and have her speak this specific dialogue. Or to create your own avatar, simply click on the avatar button and then my avatar. You can upload directly from your device like this and give it a name, or you can generate one. I'll show you how later on. Now I've uploaded my avatar. Then select the avatar here and just click on Generate. I think I made 1 or 2 spelling mistakes here, but that's okay. You can refine the prompt using ChatGPT or similar tools. Now let's see this.
These soapsy shoes are way more comfy than I thought. Initially, I hesitated, but now I absolutely love them.
This is goddamn perfect, guys. Hand movements and everything. All of it is perfect. Now let's create from another format, for which I'm going to create my avatar. By clicking on avatar and describing what I want, I prompted it, I want a Korean model standing in a studio. So I'm going to select Soojun Free here. And that's how you create an avatar. Now next up, I'm going to create hypermotion. For hypermotion, I'll first remove the previous ones and create a product manually. Previously, we created using an Amazon link. Now let's create the product manually. For manual creation, I uploaded an image, which is Zap Energy. Then just click on Create Product, and it will appear in your product library. Then select an avatar if you want. I'll use the recently generated Soojun, or just leave it since we want hypermotion. You can simply prompt it, make me a hypermotion ad of this product, or just select one of the preloaded ads and click recreate. It will give you the prompt, bro. There's just one word, dynamic, and Seedance 2.0 is so advanced. It understood exactly what to do. So we'll remove the previous one, add our own product, and just click generate. Now it will generate a full hypermotion with close-ups and dynamic movement. Oh, just look at this. Wow, just look at this, guys. It opens up a lot of opportunities for you, like reaching out to small-scale startups, content farming on Instagram and TikTok, creating multiple UGC influencers, and making serious money, literally. Higgsfield opens a lot of opportunities for you, so take everything out of it and build your own things. Next up, we're going to create an unboxing ad. I'm going to create the product manually. I'll upload this bag, and it has generated all the description and so on. Added to library. I'm not going to select an avatar for this one. I'll prompt it. Create an ASMR unboxing ad for this bag, and click generate. Now it will create something ASMR style, and it's pretty awesome. Let's click into it.
Okay. Listen to that. This blush pink is so leather, is smooth, gold hardware, flat pocket, and a top zip. I'm obsessed.
Wow, this is freaking good. This is great, guys. I didn't even tell it to add an influencer, and it just did it. This is awesome. Now let's create a different format. TV spot. I'll click on it. Remove the previous assets. Then get a Cerelac product from Amazon. Paste the link. Create the product. And shortly it will generate. Then either you can prompt it or add different avatars. I'll use the ASMR recreation for now. Our product is already added here, as I mentioned. Now I'm uploading the avatars. Uploaded. Now just select it. Then prompt it like, both are sitting at a table, cracking jokes, eating Cerelac. Add the product context in the prompt, and just click generate. It created a very good ad. Let's check it. It's like something made in an advanced studio with advanced VFX. You don't even need that anymore. You can create such ads at a fraction of the cost. Oh, this is mesmerizing. The amount of creativity you can use. It's unbeatable. Now let's create a virtual try-on. I'll remove the previous ones. Change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Upload the clothes and the Korean model avatar I created earlier. Then click generate. You can simply see the virtual try-on here.
Fast try-on. Look at this medieval set. Hard cut. Okay, wait. This is actually so cute. The belt and little pouch. Obsessed. The skirt moves so nicely. 10 out of 10.
All the expressions and physics are great. You can't even tell the difference between a real ad and this AI generated one. Now, if you want the best out of Higgsfield's Marketing Studio, you have to work on your prompts. For example, if I select these to recreate, you can see the level of detail in the prompt. You must have some level of creativity in you. Or you can simply describe your raw idea and give it to any AI chatbot like ChatGPT or Claude and have them refine it. Remember that. You have to be creative here. Now let's create a video ad using just a URL. I'm pasting the URL of a cleansing foam here. Then I'll select UGC, set the quality to 1080p, duration to 15 seconds, and just click Create Video. For a few minutes it will process and give you the output just from a link, and you can watch it right here.
Rice water cleanser that actually brightens. Deep cleans but feels hydrating, no tight skin. Fuente this óbvio, medicinal fidens when it comes to so outside it cuts water. I'm obsessed.
Such a great output. I didn't even tell it to add what actions the avatar should perform. It did everything by itself, on its own. And if you don't like the voice in the video, you can create your own voice by simply uploading it to Higgsfield or recording directly in the tool and cloning it. Just click on the clone button. To change the voice, first select your voice, then click on Change Voice. Now let's talk about the pricing on Higgsfield. Currently, they have an offer for 30% off on their plans. Plus, Ultra or Business, you can check the pricing. $39 for Plus, $99 for Ultra, and $62 for the Business plan. In Plus, you get 1,000 credits. In Ultra, you get 3,000 credits. And in Business, you also get 3,000 credits, which are more than enough. You can check everything on their website. All the links and important things are given in the description. Click on the link, grab your plan, and start making ads that grow. Thanks for watching.